Hello and welcome to this quick video from iFixTech, and I'm going to show you how you can get your machine ID or your machine name from your computer. This is Windows 11 and it's the same on Windows 10 as well. I'm going to show you the really quick way and a few other alternatives. So first of all, click on the Start menu button at the bottom of your start bar, and then in the search for Apps, Settings and Documents, just click and then type in About. Click Enter or click it and your machine name's shown. So what we're looking for is device name and it's Office PC1. If you needed to copy this information to give to your IT technician or your IT manager, then click the copy and that will copy all of that information in. So let's just open up Notepad. I'll move that over, and what I just copied in was that information. If you're looking for the machine name, that's all you need, Office PC1. For some people it may look a bit like this, desktop and some random letters. But I in my office I renamed all my machines, so I know which one is PC1, PC2. Another quick way, I'm going to close that. You can also just click on the search at the bottom next to the Windows icon and just type in About, and you can see About your PC. And there's one other way you can get it as well. This is the third way. Right click your Windows logo or the Windows Start button at the bottom, and it gives you lots of different options. You know, if you want to remove apps, check out your power settings, you know, let it so it doesn't go into sleep or put it into sleep. You can check it out, but what we're interested in is System. So click on System, and again opens up the same screen about your PC. If you wanted to copy the PC name, there's a faster way of doing it. Rather than copying that and then go back to Notepad, if you copy that, you get all of that information. But all we want is the device name. So what you can do instead is just double click and then right click copy, or you can use the keyboard Control C and then give that to your IT technician, and that's all they need when they ask for your machine name or your computer name or your machine ID. That's it. If you wanted to rename it, then you can see just rename this PC, and you can type in what you want to rename it as. I like to keep it informational, so if it's in my office, I like to have Office PC1, Office PC2. In my shops I have Till 1, Till 2, and I have Workshop 1, Workshop 2, so I know exactly which machines are what. Hopefully that little quick snippet helps you. If you need any more help or advice, don't forget to get in touch at iFixTech.com. Thank you.